Hello everyone and welcome to Easy English with Joanna. In today's video, we are going to learn a new idiom that is frequently used in the working environment. I will give you a hint. It involves a drawing board. But before we dive in, remember I help Spanish speakers sound more natural and confident in English. So remember to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow lessons. Now, back to our idiom. Have you ever started working on something and worked on it diligently and then realized it's not working? And you have to start over? Well, that's when we would say, let's go back to the drawing board. It means starting over with a new plan. This can be used in any project, field, or creative endeavor. For example, imagine a web designer testing a new website for a client only to realize it doesn't work on smartphones. Or an architect presenting a house design, but the client hates the layout and wants something more modern. Or a baker being asked to make a sugar-free birthday cake that ends up tasting bland, so she needs to redo the whole thing all over again. And even a fashion designer who picked a fabric that shrinks after washing, making it unsuitable for the design. What would all these people do? They would all go back to the drawing board and come up with better ideas to achieve their goals. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments below, when was the last time you had to go back to the drawing board? And also let me know what other topics you'd like to see made into easy-to-follow lessons on my channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more idioms. Thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and see you in the next video.